Very good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online teaching in social science, geography, continuation of chapter 4, climate. I hope all are safe and in good health. Okay, the other day we have discussed what is the difference between weather and climate. Again, we have seen climate controls of any place. Again, last period we have discussed what are the factors affecting India's climate. Can I not say what are the factors? Good. They are latitude, altitude, pressure and winds. Okay. Again, we have discussed what are jet streams. Can anyone say jet streams? Okay, good. These are the high altitude winds in the troposphere, isn't it? There are different spheres in the atmosphere. They are the high altitude winds in the troposphere. Their speed varies from 110 km per hour in summer and 184 km per hour in winter. Again, we have seen what are the mechanism of monsoon in India. What is the mechanism of monsoon? What are the factors that help in the occurrence of rainfall in India? Okay. Again, we have seen what southern oscillation or SO. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about monsoon. What is the monsoon? Monsoon means rainfall. The onset of monsoon in India. When does monsoon begin in India? Okay, the monsoon in India is pulsating in nature. What is meant pulsating? You might have visited hospitals along with the patients. The doctors used to check the pulse rate, isn't it? Pulse rate usually it will be up and down. Okay, just like that. The Indian monsoon is pulsating in nature. That means some years we get heavy rainfall, some years we get very low rainfall. That is why it is known as the monsoon in India is pulsating in nature, and the duration of monsoon in India is 100 to 120 days. That means in India we get maximum 120 days rainfall. Okay. Then we see what is a monsoon burst. It can be asked. Define monsoon burst. We know that during Diwali celebration, we used to burst crackers, isn't it? Just like that, monsoon burst. That means monsoon started. So we see what is a monsoon burst. Around the time of the arrival of monsoon in India, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues for several days. This phenomenon is known as monsoon burst. That means when monsoon begins or when monsoon season starts, there will be rainfall for 5-6 days, continuous rainfall throughout India. This phenomena is known as monsoon burst. Okay. Again, where does the monsoon start in India first? The monsoon arrives at the southern tip of Indian peninsula in the first week of June. Where is the southern tip of Indian peninsula? It is Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? It is situated at the end of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, isn't it? The southern point. So the monsoon begins in India in the southern tip of Indian peninsula in the first week of June. Then there are two oceans, two seas, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, isn't it? Okay. Then by mid-July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country receives rainfall by July 15th. That means from June to July, almost all the states in India receive rainfall. Okay, now we understood what is the monsoon burst. Around the time of arrival of the monsoon in India, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues for several days. That means, very simple words we can say, when the monsoon season begins, we get rainfall continuously for 5 to 6 days. So it is a sign, it is a symbol that the monsoon season started in India. Okay. Okay, now we study about the seasons. Can anyone say how many seasons are there in India? Okay. There are 4 seasons identified in India. Okay, which are they? They are cold weather season, hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon. These are the 4 seasons identified in India. Okay, which is the cold weather season? It is winter season. Okay, hot weather season is summer. The advancing monsoon is rainy season, and the retreating monsoon is the transition periods. Okay. Question can be asked, which are the important seasons identified in India? Okay, in geographical terms, we say hot weather season, cold weather season, advancing monsoon, and retreating monsoon. Okay, now we will discuss about each seasons. Or what are the important features of cold weather season? What are the characteristics features of cold weather season? Question can be asked for 5 marks, 3 marks, like that. Okay. We are very much familiar about the cold weather season or winter season. The cold weather season begins from mid-November and stays till February. Everybody knows. Still, especially North India, from November 15th to till February we have winter season. Okay, again we know that another important thing is that December and January are the coldest months. Very cold, isn't it? Again, days are warm and nights are cold. We feel very cold at night, but days are somewhat okay. It is warm. Okay. Then frost is common in North India. What's the name? Frost, snowfall. Okay. This again we know that during the season, wind blow from land to sea. That is why in most parts of the country it is a dry season. Question can be asked, why in winter season most parts of the country is a dry season? Dry season, why? Because the wind blow from land to sea. Okay, that is why most parts of the country it is a dry season. Okay, another important thing is that there will be cyclones. Cyclonic disturbances occur in the northern plains, which help in the occurrence of winter rainfall, known as Mahavats. What is the name of winter rainfall in North India? Northern plains. They are known as Mahavats. Okay, because of these cyclones, winter rainfall occurs, or we get a rainfall in winter season. Okay, which help in the occurrence of. Okay, this winter rainfall help in the cultivation of rabi crops. Which are the rabi crops? Wheat, etc. We are very much familiar with Indian farmers in our villages. When do they cultivate wheat? In the winter season, isn't it? As soon as they get the winter rainfall, they start cultivating rabi crop, especially wheat and so on. Okay. Okay, these are the important features of cold weather season. Cold weather season begins from mid-November and stays till February. December and January are the coldest months. Days are warm and nights are cold. Again, frost is common in north. Okay. Again, we know that most parts of the country it is a dry season. What is the reason? Because the wind blows from land to sea. Just opposite direction. Okay, again you know that cyclonic disturbances occur in northern plains which help in the winter rainfall. What is the name of winter rainfall in northern plains? That is known as Mahavas. Or this winter rainfall helps in the cultivation of rabi crops, especially wheat and so on, cultivated in the winter season. Okay. Now we discuss the second most important season, that is the hot weather season, that is summer season. March to May is the hot weather season in India. Okay, March, April, May. These are the hottest months in India or summer season in India. Okay, different temperatures are recorded in different areas. In the month of March, the highest temperature is 38 degrees Celsius recorded in Deccan Plateau. Where is the Deccan Plateau? Parts of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, etc. come under Deccan Plateau. Okay? In the month of March, highest temperature is recorded in the Deccan Plateau, that is 38 degrees Celsius. Okay? Again in the month of April, the highest temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. It is recorded in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Okay? Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, the highest temperature recorded in the month of April, that is 42 degrees Celsius. Again in the month of May, the highest temperature 45 degrees Celsius is recorded in the northwestern part. Where is northwestern part? Gujarat, Rajasthan, that area, isn't it? Punjab, etc. Okay. So can we ask for 1 mark? In the month of March, Deccan Plateau recorded highest temperature. Then in the month of April, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, 42 degrees Celsius. Again in the month of May, the highest temperature is recorded in the northwestern states. Okay. Again, we know that in this season, the summer season, automatically we know that temperature increases and air pressure falls down. Okay. Again, one important phenomena associated with this hot weather season is Lu. You might have heard. What is meant by Lu? These are the hot, dry and strong winds blow during the day. Daytime, very strong winds will be blowing. Okay, these winds are known as Lu. These are the strong, gusty, hot and dry winds blow during the day. Which can be asked, define Lu. Nothing is there. These are the hot, dry, strong winds blow during day. Okay. Again, another important thing is that dust storms are common in the north. What are dust storms? We are very much familiar. In Hindi, we call it Aandhi, isn't it? Dust storms are common in the north, especially in summer season. Okay. Again, you know that it is a season of thunderstorms, violent winds, and heavy rainfall. At the end of summer season, there will be a thunderstorm, violent rainfall, heavy rainfall and violent winds. In West Bengal, these storms are called Kal Baisakhi. What is the name? Baisakhi, we know it is one of the festivals mostly celebrated in West Bengal. Okay, at the end of summer season, we know that because of these dust storms, all the crops will be destroyed. That is why this festival becomes disturbed. The people cannot celebrate Baisakhi. That is why it is called Kal Baisakhi. Okay. Again, another important feature associated with this season is towards the end of summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common in Kerala and Karnataka, which help in the early ripening of mangoes, which is also known as mango showers. What is meant by that? Once again, I will tell you. When the summer season ends, monsoon starts or rainfall starts in Kerala and Karnataka, which help in the early ripening of mangoes. What is the ripening? Pagjayaga, isn't it? Okay? Kerala and Karnataka, which help in the early ripening of mangoes. Okay, that is why this rainfall is known as mango showers. So that because this rainfall is very much good for the ripening of mangoes. Okay. Now we understood what are the important features of hot weather season. Okay. March to May is the hot weather season in India. Different temperatures are recorded in different areas. Again, we have seen that what are loose? These are the hot dry winds blow during the day. Again, these are the season of thunderstorms, violent winds and heavy rainfall. In West Bengal, these dusty storms are known as Kal Baisakhi because it brings a lot of destruction. The farmer's cultivation is fully destroyed, isn't it? Again, towards the end of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common in Kerala and Karnataka, which help in the early ripening of mangoes. Jaldi Pagjayaga. Okay, that is why they are known as mango showers or Amki Barsat. Isn't it? Okay, one more season we'll see. It is known as retreating monsoon. One more is there that we'll study in the next periods. Okay, a retreating monsoon or it is known as transition periods. What is a transition period? It is a period of change. Okay, the weather and climate will be changing from one atmosphere to other atmosphere. Okay, during October and November, monsoon becomes weak and starts withdrawing. Okay, October, November, in the month of October and November, the monsoon becomes weak. We do not get much rainfall in the month of October and November, and the monsoon will be withdrawing. That means what is withdrawing? It will be going back. Okay, it is a transition. What is a transition? It is a change from hot rainy season to dry winter. That means up to that time, we were getting rainfall. Okay, hot rainfall, hot rainy season to dry winter. Okay, so it is a short period, October and November, only hardly 1.5 months. We have retreating monsoon. Okay, while day temperatures are high, nights are cool and pleasant. That is another important thing. The daytime temperature will be high, but the nights, रात में, it will be very much cool and pleasant. The climate will be so pleasant. Okay. Due to high temperature and humidity, weather becomes oppressive. During the day, known as October heat. Another important feature associated with the retreating monsoon is October heat. That means, especially in the month of October, because of high temperature and humidity, weather becomes oppressive. What means oppressive? We will not be able to tolerate. It becomes very much difficult. The weather will be so tough. Okay, the daytime it will be too hot. Okay, so that is why this temperature is known as, or this weather is known as October heat. Again, another important feature is that the cyclones also occurs during this season. It causes great damage to life and property. Especially every year we know the Orissa, West Bengal and so on. Cyclones occurs, especially in the month of October, November. Okay, so these are the important features about a retreating monsoon. Okay, so now we have already studied about 3 important seasons. They are cold weather season, hot weather season and retreating monsoon. Okay, one more season is that is advancing monsoon. That will be studied in the next period. Okay, here what are things we have discussed? We have discussed about monsoon bursts. Again, we have discussed about important seasons. Okay, then again we have seen what is Mahavat. Mahavat is the winter rainfall. Okay, then again we have seen the hot weather season. Different temperatures are recorded in different areas. Okay, then water loops. Loop. These are the hot, dry, and hot winds blow during the day. Okay, then Kal Vaisakhi. Why these dust storms are known as Kal Vaisakhi? Because it brings a lot of destruction. Again, we have seen what are mango showers. Okay, towards the end of the summer season, pre-monsoon showers are common in Kerala and Karnataka, which help in the early ripening of mangoes. Again, the third important season is repeating monsoon. It is a short season between October and November. Okay, it is a period of transition or change from hot rainy season to dry winter. Again, day temperatures are high and nights are cool and pleasant. Okay, due to high temperature and humidity, weather becomes oppressive during the day, especially in the month of October. That is why it is known as October heat. Again, you know that cyclones occurs in certain areas, so which brings a lot of damage to life and property of the people. Okay, children, we stop here. You have to write all these notes in your copy and you have to learn it. Don't wait for the last moment. Okay, thank you.